Hello everyone, my name is Judy. I'm coming from Shenzhen Gloshine technology. So as you can see, we are a manufacturer of LED displays, and we have been in this industry for over 12 years. And for this special show, we have flew thousands miles across the ocean to Sydney and to present you with our latest products, which is also the best seller since last year. So this screen you are seeing now is 2.9 millimeter pitch screen. So it has a very fine resolution and it has a lot of advantages. So it is the best seller since last year, and it is lightweight, strong, but also fast installation. Besides, this one can do both concave and convex. So as you can see now, it is concave, but we can change the angles here by just twisting this lock to adjust different angles. So you can make both concave and convex, depends on the events that it requires. And this screen can also be both front service and rear service. So you can use it for both rental and fixed installation. This product has been sold thousands of square meters to all over the world for a lot of rental companies and also for some installation projects. And if you can go to our website to find more about this, or you can email us to find more details about the products. Thank you.